खाना हो गर्मा गर्म, स्वाद में हो टनाटन, खुशबू ऐसी हो कि दिल मचल जाए। खाऊं तो उंगलियां चाटूं, न खाऊं तो अपने देश को याद करूं। आजा मोहन प्यारे, तुझे ऐसा ही खाना खिला दूं।
Ahar Indian Restaurant, lunch buffet every day from 11:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. A la carte 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m.
If you don't know of an ultimate location that would bring life to your party and are confused from the flock of banquet halls nowadays, then don't worry. The choice is clear. It's Ahar Indian Restaurant, a contemporary place with splendid banquet hall for 150 people, ideal for any party. Best service with the yummiest North and South Indian delicacies. All you have to do is party hard. Right off of 635 and MacArthur. Call today at 972-432-2427. Get up, you have a reason to party.
And we have been into this business for last 15 years, but we are in Dallas for last 1.5 years. Right now we have two locations, one in Irving and one in Richardson. We are planning to open in one in Plano as well. Yeah, we have been in this business for last 15 years throughout around the world. Like we was there in Europe for about 7 years and in New York for about 3.5 years, and we choose different locations every time. And since we have a bigger community in Dallas compared to all other, like most of the states in United America, so we prefer to choose Dallas.
We're planning to serve the community and as well as tasty and good food authentically, and which is unique with a good ambience and good taste of food.
We provide a lot of services like walk-in customers. We do the catering services, starts from 20 people to 2,000 people, and we don't even need much advance. Also, just a day or two is enough for us. And we do the to-goes also, and we do the outside catering, and we prepare the food on site like dosas, tandoor, all kebabs and naans, everything we can prepare on site also. If somebody wants to have the party at their own place. Yeah, like where we say about authenticity is like when you make a like Indian food, you should know exactly what you are making. There's so many types, like for say examples of masalas and everything. Everything does not go in the same place. Only the Indian food, when you taste the food and you know the difference, and you can prepare better than like training a Mexican in this one. So that place we can bring our authenticity in cooking and all, because we do ourselves and we cook ourselves and we know exactly what we are doing. We can challenge, like nobody can make us taste like what we are making. The same food what we make, no, you cannot get anywhere else.
Besides our food and also our catering, and other than that, we also supply most of the snacks, chutneys and everything to the grocery stores, and sure, individuals also can buy here, which no other restaurants can do. This kind of products like the snacks, chutneys and pickles and other products we have in a bunch of lists. So that's the unique for us. Those items are fresh and you can use it for a week to 2 weeks. And even in a grocery store or even in a restaurant, you get every time all the fresh items served for the corporations, and we cater to corporation, and also we have a nice banquet hall for corporate meetings and also parties as well as. And apart from those, we serve the corporate people to have their meetings, and also we support them to organize the meetings also. Thank you for joining us at Ahar Indian Restaurant.
Thanks for the support from the community for last 1.5 years, and we are expecting the same in future as well from our customers. And we will be totally happy to serve you according to your needs and make your stay, your time comfortable here at Ahar Indian Restaurant. Once again, thanks very much.
If you don't know of an ultimate location that would bring life to your party and are confused from the flock of banquet halls nowadays, then don't worry. The choice is clear. It's Ahar Indian Restaurant, a contemporary place with splendid banquet hall for 150 people, ideal for any party. Best service with the yummiest North and South Indian delicacies. All you have to do is party hard. Right off of 635 in MacArthur. Call today at 972-432-2427. Get up, you have a reason to party.